At number 5, we have the Roland FP-30X, an excellent digital piano for those seeking quality performance on a budget. It stands out for its authentic acoustic feel, featuring Roland's PHA-4 standard keyboard with hammer action and textured ivory and ebony keytops that mimic a real piano. Powered by the supernatural sound engine, it delivers expressive tones with 256-note polyphony, ensuring every note rings true even in complex performances. The built-in stereo speakers produce clear dynamic sound with modes that adapt to desks or stands. You'll also get 56 instrument voices, including 12 acoustic and 20 electric piano tones for versatility across genres. With Bluetooth connectivity for streaming or MIDI use and dual headphone outputs for quiet practice, it's ideal for beginners and advanced players alike. Compact yet sturdy, the Roland FP-30X combines sound, feel, and portability, making it one of the best value options in its class. At number 4, we have the Donner DDP-300, a digital piano that delivers impressive realism and performance for its price. It features 88 fully weighted, graded hammer action keys for an authentic acoustic feel. The sound engine, sampled from a 9-foot grand piano, produces a rich, detailed tone, while 128-note polyphony ensures no notes drop out during complex pieces. With 10 built-in voices, including piano, strings, and organ, it's versatile across genres. The dual 20W speakers deliver clear, warm sound ideal for home or small performances. Connectivity options include Bluetooth MIDI, USB MIDI, and audio outputs for easy integration with devices or music software. The 3-pedal unit, intuitive controls, and duo mode enhance playability and teaching potential. Blending expressive sound, realistic touch, and modern connectivity, the DDP-300 stands out as a top-value digital piano choice. At number 3, we have the Kawai ES920, a premium digital piano offering an exceptional blend of sound quality, touch, and portability. Powered by Kawai's Harmonic Imaging XL engine, it reproduces the rich tones of the SKX, SK5, and EX grand pianos with precision. Each of its 88 individually sampled keys provides an authentic acoustic feel, while 256-note polyphony ensures smooth, uninterrupted performances. The responsive hammer the thirst, A adore samwise, Action adds realism with grade-weighted keys, triple sensors, and let-off simulation, delivering a natural, dynamic touch. Despite its realism, the ES920 stays lightweight and sleek, ideal for home or stage use. Its 40W Onkyo speaker system produces clear, balanced sound, and Bluetooth MIDI audio allows seamless wireless integration. With tools like the Virtual Technician for tone shaping and an OLED display, the Kawai ES920 stands out as a versatile, high-performance digital piano for any setting. For 2, we have the Yamaha P525. Our runner-up pick a premium digital piano that blends authentic sound, realistic touch, and modern versatility. The Grand Touch S keyboard features wooden keys with synthetic ebony and ivory tops, closely mimicking the feel of an acoustic grand. Its graded hammer action provides natural key weighting, giving both beginners and advanced players expressive control. Powered by Yamaha's Pure CF sound engine and Bosendorfer Imperial samples, the P525 offers 2 world-class piano voices, the CFX with bright, powerful tones and the Bosendorfer with a warm, rich character. Enhanced by virtual resonance modeling, VRM, it recreates the depth and harmonics of a real grand piano. The dual 20W speakers deliver clear, balanced sound, while intelligent acoustic control and stereophonic optimizer provide an immersive experience even with headphones. With 256-note polyphony, 44 voices, and effects like reverb and chorus, the Yamaha P525 excels for home. Number 1, we have the Kawai MP11SE, the ultimate digital piano, offering one of the most authentic playing experiences available today. Its grand feel wooden key action uses long wooden keys with precise weighting and smooth transitions, delivering a realistic touch that closely mirrors an acoustic grand. Advanced players will appreciate its responsive and quiet feel, ideal for both stage and home use. Powered by Kawai's Progressive Harmonic Imaging XL engine, the MP11SE produces a rich, detailed tone, featuring the Shigeru Kawai SKX concert grand sample plus additional grand and upright voices. You can fine-tune your sound with Virtual Technician and resonance settings for a truly customized tone. The electric piano section adds realistic recreations of vintage classics like the Fender Rhodes, while a triple pedal unit with optical sensors enhances precision and durability.